Hello. This is my super health tonic, and I figure I'll just go through the whole step. A lot of the videos I thought were too long, but then I see these 10-minute ones and people watch them, so I'm going to give you all the details that you need in order to create coconut, celery, cucumber, cilantro, and lime. First of all, you gotta whack open a cocoa. Takes a while to get that down, but pretty soon it's no sweat. So step one is create your coconut base. I work outside, so this whole thing is my compost. The birds clean everything up for me. It's great. Drain it, and then I have a Thai coconut knife, but I left it at my friend's while I was making juice, so I got to use a cleaver, but that's okay, it works fine. It's a real good idea sometimes to rinse out the inside of this. I'm not going to do it now, but it'll rinse out all the little chunks in there. I like to use a melon baller, and then I scoop out all the luscious fat. This is our only source of fat on a 90-day liquid diet. So far, working out pretty well. We both feel amazing. Serious emotional transformation. We were in pretty bad shape. Just emotionally, we just had a long winter, cooped up in this RV, 6 feet of snow. You know, couldn't get to the store sometimes. Had to eat like nuts. You know, we had got plenty of nuts. No lettuce to go with it. No celery, just nuts. But that's okay. We did fine. And now we're realkalizing. So that's the beauty of this drink. This is a serious alkalizer. So there's your coconut. And this is how you make your coconut milk. That's what I call it. Combine the water and the fat, or the meat, if you will. If you don't like that word. Enough. You can do that for another minute if you'd like. And now there's the base, and now we will make our green juice. So we're going to take celery, cucumber, cilantro, and lime. If you use the Breville on low, you get less pulp. Slower, but not in a hurry. I love the celery and the cucumber and the cilantro. I mean, when you mix those, and then of course you've got all the electrolytes in the coconut. So this could either be like an energy drink, a healing drink. It's also got a lot of protein, so it can also be a building drink. It's also very good at cooling you in the heat. It's just basically a miracle drink, and I pretty much drink it every day on the juice feasts or liquid diets, whatever you want to call it. Good juicer, huh? Stuff a whole head of cilantro in there. It doesn't get as much as some of the juices, but for how quickly this works and how easily you can clean it up. Works better on high with the herbs like that. Like cilantro. Okay, well there's that. And that's the green edition. This drink is a winner with most crowds. Some people are a little more picky, but it's just got a nice, it's not too sweet, not too green. This is just it. It's gorgeous. pour you a glass. Alright. Cleanse and detoxify with coconut, celery, cucumber, cilantro, and lime. Delicious. Thank you. Peace.